Hello, welcome. Today, let's discuss how to hide likes on Twitter. So if you're wondering how to hide your likes on Twitter, then the good news is that actually you don't need to do anything at all because X already made likes private by default in 2024. So open X on your phone and tap your profile picture in the top left and go to your profile. As you can see, your profile is divided into several sections and you need to go to likes section. And this is the page where you can see every single post that you have ever liked. And the truth is that no one except you can access this likes tab on your profile. So non-followers, users, and your followers, no one can access this section in your profile. And to prove that to you, let me switch my X account, and now I will go to my previous X account that I just used. And as you can see on my profile, I have no tab with my likes. And vice versa, I cannot go to someone else's profile and look for that likes tab. But the thing is that when you are on homepage, select following section right here. It will show posts for you that people who you follow liked. And sometimes your post that you liked can still occasionally show up in your followers feed with the note that this user liked this post. So be careful with that, with the content that you like. If you want to stay invisible, it's better to use bookmarks feature instead of likes. So when you want to save some kind of post, then you should go to, for example, this post, and below it tap this bookmark icon, and at the top you should see message that post added to your bookmarks, and then you can access them if you tap your profile picture in the top left and find here section with your bookmarks, and this is the post that I saved. So this is 100% private, and this bookmarks section never will show up anywhere but your own saved list. So that's basically it. I really hope that you find this video helpful, and if so, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.